Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to solve question number 788, which is rotated digits of LeetCode. So first I will explain the question, then the approach, then I will write the code in C++, so I will submit it, and then I will tell the runtime complexity and the space complexity of this question. So let's start. An integer x is good if after rotating each digit individually by 180 degree, we get a valid number that is different from x. Each digit must be rotated, we cannot choose to leave it alone. Okay, so which means we have to use a for loop to check every digit. A number is valid if each digit remains a digit after rotation. For example, 0, 1, 8 rotate to themselves. As you know, when we rotate 0, it becomes 0. Same for 1 and 8. 2 and 5 rotate to each other, so they are mirror of each other. 2 rotates to 5, 5 rotates to 2. Same for 6 and 9. The rest of the number do not rotate to any other number and become invalid, like 3, 4, 7. They are invalid numbers. Given an integer n, return the number of good integer in the range 1 to n. So a for loop will run from 1 to n. Inside that a while loop will run, which will check the digit, which will check if the digit is good or not. So let's create a count variable to count the total number of good digits, and the for loop will run from 1 till given an integer. In this we'll have to create a temp to store the digit and a bool flag to check if the rotated digit is valid or not. In the while, we will go from this. The temp will be greater than 0. Int digit. To get the digit, we will use modulus 10. Now the first check will be, so when the number is not acceptable, so it will be when the digit is 3, digit is 4, digit is 7, 3, 4 and 7. So we will break it and we will mark the flag as false. Else if now the when will be digit valid, so that it relates to another digit, so it will 2, 5, 6, 9. And then we have to make the one number shorter, so that we will use division equal to 10. Now why are we not checking 0, 1 and 8? We are not checking 0, 1 and 8 as we need the unique digit. So if a number is having 0, 1 or 8, it will not, when it will rotate, it will not get a unique digit after rotating. So we are not checking it as well. So it occurs or not occur doesn't matters to us. Now we will, in if condition, we will see if it is true or false. If it's true, we will increase the count by 1. As you can see, all the 3 test cases have been passed. So let's write in one once. So for 10, the first digit will be 1. So when we rotate 1, it's same 1, so it's not a good digit after rotating. After that it's 2. When we rotate 2, it becomes 5, so plus 1. After that it's 3, again not valid. 4, not valid. 5 rotates to 2, so it's valid. Then 6, it rotates to 9, so valid. 7, not valid. 8 rotates to itself, so not valid. And 9 rotates to 6, so it's valid. The total count is 4. For example, if a number comes like 25, So what will happen is, first we'll get the digit, it will be 5, it's not 3 4 7, so it will go out. 5 is allowed, so flag will be true, and then the digit will become 2, and then it will again come here, so flag will be true, and it will be count plus plus. So like that the code works. Now let's submit our code. So we got 0 millisecond of runtime, which is very good. So the time complexity of this question is n log n for the for loop, and log n for the while loop, so n log n, and the space complexity is of 1, as we're using very few variables and not any complex data structure. So if you like an explanation, give a like, and for more such LeetCode explanation, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.